Imagine you bought a state-of-the-art home security system. It's designed to blare sirens and flash lights if a window breaks or a door is forced open. But what if one day it started screaming because a leaf fell on the lawn or because a cat walked by? You'd rush home again and again, heart pounding, only to find nothing. No threat, just a system gone haywire. This isn't a story about a security system. This is the story of your nervous system in the modern world. Your anxiety isn't a sign you're broken. It's the siren of a brilliant, ancient alarm system that's now being triggered by emails, social media, traffic, and thoughts, not by saber-toothed tigers. We're not going to dismantle the alarm. We're going to relearn how to calibrate it. The siren gets stuck in 3 interlocking loops. Let me tell you about my friend. Let's call her Sarah, who is stuck in all 3. The thought loop. Sarah would lie in bed and think, what if I fail that presentation? That thought, a simple electrical signal in her brain, was interpreted by her alarm system as a real threat. Her brain's threat center, the amygdala, lit up like a Christmas tree. The sensation loop. That signal flooded her body with adrenaline. Her heart raced. Her chest tightened. She felt the panic. And what did her conscious mind do with those sensations? It looked at them and said, "My God, look how scared I am. This must be a real emergency." The physical feeling confirmed the fearful thought. The behavior loop. So what did Sarah do? She called in sick. She avoided the presentation. And in that moment of avoidance, her brain learned a devastating lesson. The panic worked. It saved you from the danger. A loop was born. Thought, sensation, behavior. A self-reinforcing cage. So, how do we break Sarah out of her cage? We don't attack it head on. We gently, persistently interrupt the loops. For the next 2 weeks, your only mission is to be a disruptor. Interrupt the thought loop with the observer's chair. When the catastrophic thought comes, "I'm going to fail," you don't argue with it. You don't believe it. You simply label it. You say, "Ah, there's the failure story." You place the thought on a passing cloud. You are not the storm. You are the sky watching it pass. This creates critical space. Interrupt the sensation loop with the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 anchor. When you feel the panic rising, you drop anchor in the physical world. Name 5 things you see. 4 things you can touch, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, 1 thing you taste. This forces your brain to use its sensory cortex, which literally cannot be activated at the same time as the panic center. You are switching the channel from the horror movie to a documentary about your actual safe environment. Interrupt the behavior loop with the 1% move. You will not climb the whole mountain. You will tie your shoe. If you're avoiding the email, you open your laptop. That's it. If you're avoiding the gym, you put on your workout clothes. You prove to your brain that you can feel the anxiety and still move. This severs the link between panic and paralysis. Once the loops are interrupted, you have a quieted system. Now, we install new, better software. We go from disruptor to architect. Rebuild safely with the vagus nerve reset. Your vagus nerve is the brake pedal for your nervous system. For 2 weeks, you tone it daily, humming your favorite song for 1 minute, gargling water every morning, taking 6 long, slow exhales. You are manually pressing the brake, teaching your body the feeling of calm on a biological level. Rebuild choice with the curiosity experiment. Every day, you do one thing, however tiny, that you wouldn't normally do. Take a different route. Try a new food. Listen to a genre of music you hate. You are retraining your brain that novelty is not a threat. It's a source of energy. Rebuild resilience with the controlled storm. You briefly, voluntarily step into discomfort. A 30-second cold blast at the end of your shower. Holding a different yoga pose for an extra breath. You are showing your system, see, we can handle stress. We can even choose it. We are in control. After 30 days, Sarah didn't just feel less anxious. She experienced something more profound: agency. The anxiety didn't disappear, but when it whispered, she no longer screamed. She had a toolkit. She had a protocol. She had become the operator of her own inner world. Your nervous system is not you. It is a magnificent, ancient instrument you have been given to navigate life. Right now, it's playing a song of fear on repeat. This 30-day reset is not about smashing the instrument. It is the meticulous, loving process of learning to play it, of remembering that you are and have always been the musician. The first note is today.